Okay, so I've asked you to solve for the mean and the standard deviation for each treatment, watering treatment. And the watering treatments were control, medium, and high. And I gave you two formulas to do that. For the mean, I gave you the formula for the sum of the x sub I divided by n. And for the standard deviation, I gave you the square root of the sum of the x sub I minus x bar squared over n minus 1. So let me show you how to calculate that. For control, there's 3 different versions of the exam, so this is just one of those versions. You have 5 individuals in the control group. You were given water potentials of negative 1.2, negative 1.3, negative 1.25, negative 1.3, negative 1.45. To get the mean, you're going to add all of those together and divide by n. Right, so if you do your math, that should all add together to be negative 6.5. And then we have 5 individuals, so that gives you a mean of negative 1.3 for the control group. And then to get the standard deviation, you're going to take each of those values and subtract the mean from it. So negative 1.2 minus negative 1.3, negative 1.3 minus negative 1.3, negative 1.25 minus negative 1.3, negative 1.3 minus negative 1.3, negative 1.45 minus negative 1.3, and if you do your math, you should get, so that's 0.1, 0, 0.05, 0, negative 0.15. Then we have to square each of those terms, so that's xi minus x bar squared. So 0.1 squared is 0.01, 0 squared is 0, 0.05 squared is 0.0025, and negative 0.15 squared is 0.0225. Then you're going to add all of that together to get your sum, and that is 0.035. Now you'll want to divide that by n minus 1, which is 4. And so that will equal 0.00875. And then you're going to take the square root of that. So again, xi minus x bar, this is all that we've done so far, divided by n minus 1. So we'll take the square root of this, and that will get us our final value for our standard deviation, which is 0.09.